Guys, I woke up this morning and I've been on YouTube for over 4 years now, and I've never done VDuck. Vlog every day until Christmas. Vlog every day until Christmas. VDuck, that's 25 days straight. The 25 days leading up to Christmas, there'll be a video every night at 8 o'clock, and today is number one. Merry Christmas. Let's get this bread.
A lot of rappers out talk, can't believe it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Most of you may know by this point that I've got a new vinyl wrap on my truck, and I couldn't be happier. I want to give out a huge shout out to Rashad of All In Cars for doing such an amazing job and allowing me to bet him for a free wrap, essentially, is what happened. But all of his information will be in the description below. I'm trying not to step in this water down here. All of his information will be in the description below. Got his logo on the gas cap, which is pretty cool. It rained yesterday. Hadn't had the new wrap on the street for like 24 hours, and it freaking poured rain last night and on the way to work today. So it's freaking disgusting, but Matt's gonna come by later this week and detail the truck for me, so we'll get it all nice and clean. But look, I don't really involve the guys at the shop too much in my videos up here, other than just filming the day-to-day stuff, but I kind of want to involve them in this one. I haven't done something big and major to the truck like this in years, so I think it's only right that I involve the guys in the shop in this video and I get their true reaction to the new wrap. My truck has been silver for years. It's a big shock to a lot of people, and I have a lot of mixed emotions and a lot of mixed opinions that I've been getting in the comments and in person, and I think it would be really interesting to get their true feelings on the new gold wrap. I'm gonna call and ask Albert whether he likes the truck or not. Plays for the Saints, NFL player, reviewing my truck. Bro!
Yo!
Bro, what are you doing? Oh! Oh!
Yeah, I ain't know nothing about that.
Oh!
Yeah.
Hey, that's the way to start a little. Hold on, bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
Hey, I done talked to your boy. I'm about to go ahead and get right.
Really?
Yeah. When I get my new truck, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and get that thing wrapped.
Bro, you gotta. Come on, I say we Saints gold over here, baby.
Hold on. You said what now?
We're Saints gold over here, baby.
I see that. It looks good though.
Bro, I had to. I'm shooting a video, and I wanted to make sure you were part of the video. I'm gonna put your I'm gonna put you in the link down there so they can go show some love to you.
Nah, it definitely looks good though. Go ahead. Who that nation, baby?
I was scared for sure, but I think I let him choose the design and everything. I let him choose the color and all of it, but it turned out good.
I'm about to say I watched the whole video, bro. I watched the whole video. Hey, sometimes you gotta hustle a hustler. You feel me?
Hey, I'm gonna put all your shit in the all your stuff in the link so they can show some love to you.
Yeah, let them know. Hey, let them know who I am, man.
I got you. All jokes aside, Albert's one of the nicest people that I've been able to meet, you know, through the truck stuff. And like, not only is he an NFL player, but genuinely on a personal level, you know, I'm grateful to be able to call him a friend. He's one of the nicest people that I've ever met through this truck stuff. So y'all make sure to tap in and go show him some love in the description below. I got a lot of comments on the last video. A lot of people like the wrap. Some people don't like the wrap. I think more than anything, people like the wrap, but they wish that they could change some things. So I feel like you guys might be interested to see how the guys at the shop react to the wrap. So I guess 1 to 10 is kind of the best way to do this, maybe 1 to 10. So I'm gonna get Meat to come over. I know you guys love Meat so much, but this is Jonathan. I don't even think Jonathan watches the videos. Jonathan, what do you rate the truck here? 1 to 10?
Give it a 9.
9. I like that. Is there something you would change about the truck? You can be honest. You know, you won't hurt my feelings. I'm sure Leonard's gonna give me hell later. So.
Oh yeah, Leonard's gonna give you hell. I wouldn't change anything.
Really?
No, she don't like bow ties.
That's true. He's a Ford guy. I know that Colton's about to get his truck done. I'm not gonna say color or anything like that. I'll let you, you know, have the honor of telling your people what you're doing. But
everybody will know eventually.
I know that you're getting yours done. But what would you rate the? I let Rashad pick the color. So I'm curious. I'm curious to know how you, especially because you're so close with ACW. I know that you're gonna be a tough critic.
Yeah.
And I know that they do great work.
It honestly looks very good. All the edges look like they're all the way down.
So there's definitely some, you know, imperfections here and there. I'm not a perfectionist. I'm a super easy customer. I'm not like has to be perfect every spot. There's definitely a couple imperfections in certain places that I can point out, but it's just because of the kind of truck that it is. But 1 to 10, what are you giving me here? What are you giving me in all in cars? 1 to 10.
I give it an 8.
Baby.
I give it an 8, and the only reason why it's not higher is because I don't like the chrome.
Really?
I don't like chrome.
That's I keep getting that the most is people want to get rid of the chrome. Something about like Christina hates the chrome, but I kind of like the chrome because I can't really get rid of the chrome wheels. And I feel like if I did all black, then the chrome wheels would look weird.
Powder coat the wheels.
Yeah, but I mean, it's easier. Like so originally Rashad was gonna do a gloss black grille and headlights, and he was gonna do gloss black bumper, I think, or either gloss black bumper or the chrome bumper or a gold bumper, and he was gonna do the hood black to kind of match with it. But that was one of the only things I told him not to do was the black hood. So I'm just, I guess I need to go black on this apparently.
I feel like the back end on the bed would have looked better all black instead of adding a little bit more gold.
You think so? Just to have it just like transition all the way to black going back?
Yeah. So it was like
I can see that.
Ripped off the top of it. It was black and underneath it was gold.
I can see that. I think it turned out good either way.
Oh yeah.
I know that they like you on the channel, so I have to get your opinion on the truck. I never really do anything with you guys, so I feel like I need to take some time and show some love to the people in the shop and kind of put you on the spotlight. I've been getting a lot of comments on the truck. I just want to know 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
1 to 10. You can be honest. You can be honest.
Honestly, it looks real good. I'll say like an 8.
Like an 8? Not.
A 10 is not real.
Yeah, 10 is not real.
So 8.
I want to say Jonathan gave me a 7 or 8. I can't remember. Or no, Colton was 7 or 8. Jonathan was 9. But because it's not a Chevy, because it's not a Ford, he wouldn't give me a 10. Is there something that you would change about the truck? Everybody keeps saying that I should get rid of the chrome.
That's it.
Really?
Yep, just the chrome.
Get rid of the chrome? Damn, why am I the only person that likes the chrome? I've been excited because Meat and Jonathan were pretty stale. Colton gave me a pretty good, yeah, that's from my wheel light that broke off. I put the wheel light, well, I didn't put the wheel lights on the second time, but we're not talking the whole truck, just the wrap today. Just the wrap, 1 to 10.
If you did the wrap, I'd give it a 3.
If I did it?
Yeah, but since the guy did a good job, it looks pretty good. I like it. Maybe an 8.
Everybody's giving me either 7, 8, or 9. There's some imperfections on it because the truck has imperfections.
Yeah, it's a box.
It is kind of a box, yeah. And I got red accents on it with a gold wrap.
Yeah, and fucking chrome bumpers.
See, that's the only thing people say that they would change is the chrome on it. So get rid of the chrome and go black wheels?
No, leave the polished wheels, black the grill out, leave the mirrors chrome, and black the fucking bumpers out.
So get rid of the bumpers in the grill, leave the mirrors. He said that's what he was gonna do originally. To me, like all jokes aside, I asked him what was your plan with it, and he said I was gonna do gloss black grill and bumpers, and I told him no.
No, he should do the matte.
Well, he did satin black to match the satin gold. I need Matt to come wash it, but
no, dude.
So I got an 8. So I got an 8 though, is what you're saying.
If you let Matt wash it, 0.
0?
Yeah.
Matt, you're out of here, my guy. I'm sorry. You know, for years and years, I've wanted a red wrap, or I've always wanted like a red vehicle in general. So when I found out that we were going to wrap the truck, my immediate thought was, you know, maybe I should do red. And ultimately, because of the circumstances, I let him choose the color, and I was absolutely terrified of how the truck was going to turn out. Now, I trust him ultimately to do a good job, and I trusted his creativity and just the ideas that he had in his mind. And like I've been riding around with it for a couple of days, and I just kind of want to give you guys my honest review on the wrap. Ultimately, I wanted a red wrap. I think if there was any color that we were gonna do that embodies the Bread Gang and embodies the channel, I think gold really just is the epitome of kind of what I could have. I mean, that's definitely the best option. Gold is the best that it could have been, to be honest. I mean, I can't think of any other color. Now, there were some greens and some blues that he went back and forth, but ultimately the gold looks like bread to me. So I think the gold, color-wise, is probably one of the best options that we could have went with. In terms of quality of wrap, definitely any wrap job is going to have, you know, little tiny spots here and there that are, you know, there's going to be some, you know, some little small discrepancies here and there, but for being a free wrap, I mean, I have zero complaints. The quality of the wrap, the quality of the material, you know, he didn't really break anything, taking everything on and off. I mean, the job itself, out of 10, I mean, I would give it a 10 out of 10 all day long. If we could do more wraps just like this, just in and out in a couple of days, I mean, I would do it again till the end of time. You know, everybody has those worries in the back of their mind of what if stuff doesn't go back together right, or, you know, what if it messes up the paint underneath and all this stuff like that. And I mean, ultimately, I couldn't be happier with the way that it turned out. Now, one of the things that I do need to fix is I did put the old headlights back in. They definitely don't look as good as the new Alpha Rex ones, so I need to figure that out. And I don't have any like actual bulbs. Now, I have the LEDs in the turn signals here, but I don't have LEDs in the like the low beams, and I actually don't even have high beams in the truck right now. So I've been talking to a couple of companies online about trying to get me some low beams to put in here to match the rest of the lights on the truck. And my fog lights don't work right now, which is also nice. Oh, this is awkward. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Oh. The windows don't go down. Oh. I was like, what's going on here?
Back up around the corner.
There he goes. Mikey was messing with me. I need to get Mikey to review the truck. I heard somebody pulling up behind me, and then he like kept getting closer and closer, and I thought it was Jordan. I'm like, what the hell's going on? And then the customer just got his windows tinted, so he couldn't roll the window down. It's kind of funny. Anyway, I need to get the headlights fixed. I've been working with a company, so I might have some new headlight bulbs coming in, and I'll be excited to do a review on those on the channel. And then I need to get my fog lights fixed. I don't know what the hell is going on with my fog lights, but they don't work, and it frustrates me because having this dark of windshield tint is not good to not have good lights. Especially it was raining the other day, and it's a nightmare. So that dark of tint with not having the correct headlight bulbs in is no good. I want to make sure to show some love to you guys that have been showing love to the merch on the website too. I do have the Bread Gang decals and shirts on the website, and I'm actually about to drop some long sleeve. I'm about to drop a Bread Gang gold inspired shirt. We're gonna do the same Bread Gang shirt, but the logo is gonna be gold to match the truck. So if that's something you guys would be interested in, we're gonna do pre-orders here in the next week or so. I'll do pre-orders for like a week, and then it'll take about a week to get them all made and shipped out. So maybe 2 or 3 weeks, from the end of the pre-order. So stay tuned for that. I love you guys. Merch link is in the description if you guys want to show love to the Bread Gang merch.